rank with 81.5%. 9th, Master T. Ramakrishna Saraj Sri Jagan Mohan Swami gets second rank with 81.4%. The award for the best student of the school goes to Master Y. Harish of 10th standard. Give him a big clap. Next, T. Ramakrishna and G. Anuradha of 10th standard was elected as the head boy and head girl for this academic year. I request both of them to come and receive their prizes. Come fast. In this academic year, the students from 5th up to 10th standard were divided into 4 different houses, namely Gandhi House, Nehru House, Subhash Chandra Bose House, and Indira Gandhi House. It was aimed at to encourage. On this basis, various literary and cultural programs were held between the different houses. In recognition of the talents performed by the houses, each house will be presented with a trophy. The leaders of each house are requested to come and receive their prizes. Gandhi House is Srinivas. Nehru House, C.H. Kalyan Kumar. Subhash Chandra Bose House, Y. Harish. And Indira Gandhi House, K. Sanjeev Kumar.
Second item, games prizes distribution by decision head.
Good evening. Our students from first prize in Coco Industry organized by Anthony Traditional College Education Institutions. Kumar Prasanna has served the coordinators and all coordinators in libraries and educators who are limited by long-term perspectives. She also got the championship in that tournament. She is requested to come and visit the kids. Now I request Sri Y. Gangadhar PET and Sri Sanjeev Reddy J. managers to come and receive the rolling sheet in this participation by Coco sheet. We also got the sheet for March 1st in Digital Memorial Games and Sports Meet. Now I request Sri Y. Gangadhar at PET and P. Madhusudan Reddy PET to come and receive the sheet. On 26th January 1989, we conducted 2 games for children. Now I am requesting them to come and receive their prizes. Seniors Tennis doubles for boys. Winners Captain Sharan Kumar 10th standard. Kabaddi winners Captain Mohan Reddy of 10th standard. Captain Sharan Kumar 10th standard still first. Kabaddi winners Captain Mohan Reddy of 10th standard. Runners Captain Chandramohan of 8th standard. Athletics long jump first prize Vijay of 9th standard. Discus throw first prize Kantikiran of 10th standard. Coco for girls winners Captain Seetal of 9th standard. Athletics long jump first prize Rathanarani of 8th standard. Juniors potato race for boys first prize LK Chakravarti of 7th standard. Second prize, L. Santosh of 7th standard. Potato race for girls. First prize, Sri Shobha of 7th standard. Second prize, Sushita of 5th standard. Musical chair for boys. First prize, T. Suman Kumar of 5th standard. Second prize, J.P. Limbodi of 5th standard. Musical chair for girls. First prize, Sarupa of 5th standard. Second prize, Ushasri of 5th standard. Sub-juniors, musical chair for boys. First prize, K. Anil of 3rd standard. Second prize, S. Srinivas of 3rd standard. Musical chair for girls. First prize, P. Padma of 3rd standard.
Padma came, no?
Second prize, S. R. Swarupa of 3rd standard. Running race for boys. First prize, K. Raghavinder of 2nd standard. Second prize, Smith Suresh of 2nd standard. Second prize, Smith Suresh of 2nd standard. Running race for girls. First prize, Swapna of 2nd standard. Musical chair for 1st standard. First prize, M. Vijay Kumar of 1st D standard. Second prize, S. Vineet Kumar of 1st B standard. Throwing the ball into the bucket for PP2 standard. First prize, Naresh of PP2D standard. Second prize, Imran Khan of PP2D standard. Frog race for PP1 standard. First prize, Rajendra Reddy of PP1C. Second prize, Suresh of PP1D. Games were conducted for staff members on the occasion of our talent show. Throwball winners captain Srimati Swarna is requested to come and receive the prizes. Participants are Srimati Swarna captain, Srimati Prabha Devi, Srimati P. Sushata, Kumari Krishna, Stephen, Kumari K. Stephen, Kumari Sucheta, Kumari Jayasri and Kumari Murila. Volleyball for male staff, winners Sri B. Madhusudan Reddy is requested to come and receive the prizes. Participants are Sri B. Madhusudan Reddy captain, Sri A. Ramesh Kumar, Sri Anil Babu, Sri Narendra, Sri Manohar and Sri Srinivas Reddy. Running race for drivers. First prize, Mohammed Swallow. Third prize, Silas. Running race for attenders. Gangara, first prize. Narayana, second prize. Running race for Ayers. Manjula, first prize. Padma, second prize. Few games were conducted for mothers on Mother's Gathering Day on 16th December 1988. First prize, Mrs. Ramatulasi, mother of Kalyan Prakash, 5th standard. Kalyan Prakash, 5th standard.
Good evening to everybody. The chief guest of this evening, Sri M. Ramchandra Reddy, District Educational Officer, the president of this evening, Sri M. Pratap Reddy, and Sri M. Kishan Reddy, Industrialist and Vice President of Higher Education Society, respected parents, allied of the town, and my dear students. It is a great pleasure for me to present the school report this evening. As most of you are aware that Vijay Public School was established by Higher Education Society and it is recognized by Andhra Pradesh government. The members of the managing committee are Sri G. Radha Reddy, President, Sri Kishan Reddy, Vice President, Srimati Amritalata, Joint Secretary, Dr. R. Vivekanand, Joint Secretary, Srimati Vijay Bharti, Treasurer. The school was started on 13 June 1981 with 160 students and 6 classes from LKG to 3rd with 8 staff members. Now, as you all know that this has been affiliated as high school with classes from PP1 to 10 with 1,090 students and 49 teaching and non-teaching staff with the teachers-pupil ratio of 1:22. The school has achieved a tremendous progress during the short span of the last 8 years with the help of dedicated men and women who are working behind the curtain. In order to create competitive spirit among the children from the childhood, we have introduced gold medal to the child who stands first in the school every year. We have adopted the latest educational methods such as playway and CNSI method etc. to create interest among the students. As the school is not being run on commercial basis and completely meant for the welfare of the students, the managing committee shows the budget of the school to the parents every year in the parents' meeting. We have limited the strength of each class to 30 as to enable the teachers to pay individual attention to every child. In order to have mutual understanding between teachers and mothers, every year we arrange mothers' gatherings in which we conduct some games and also discuss the problems of their children with the mothers. In order to provide lodging and boarding facilities for the children who come from rural areas, our society has started a hostel since 1981. At present, there are 64 children with 7 teachers in the hostel. I am happy to say that the students of our school have been provided with latest advanced educational equipment and audiovisual aids. This year we have allotted library periods with so many magazines to inculcate reading habits in the pupils. According to the subject-wise analysis, last year there was 80% of result in every subject and we have achieved 90% of results in every subject this year with the efforts of our teachers. If we see the grade-wise analysis, I am proud to say that there are 60% of the students who always get A grade in the school and there are 30% of the students who get B grade and remaining 10% of the students are below average. We are trying our level best to uplift the academic career of the below average students. Parents Teachers Association meeting is held under the presidentship of Sri Dr. Keshu Reddy. The member of General Body of Parents Teachers Association are Sri Dr. Keshu Reddy, Sri V. Ramchandra, Sri Baisa Devadas, and from teachers Srimati V. Shobha Devi and Sri Dilip Kumar. We made physical education compulsory for all the students from 1st to 10th. Every Monday we conduct march past and PT display in the alternate days. We conduct dumbbells, legiums, vans, hoops every day for the different classes. Besides, we have introduced yogasanas and karate also. The hidden talents of the children will not be visible unless the school focuses the light at them. So we have introduced a wall magazine, Focus, so as to enable the parents to appreciate the creative activities of the children in various fields. I take this opportunity to congratulate our students, staff and parents for their cooperation in organizing curricular and co-curricular activities in the school. I thank one and all.
Next program, Students Inter-School Activities Report.
Honorables, parents, elite of the town, and my dear friends, it's a great pleasure for me to present the Students Inter-School Activities Report. In the various inter-school competitions held outside the school, we, the students of Vijay Public School, Nizamabad, proved our worth and maintained our prize-winning streak. We participated in 15 August 1988 celebrations held at the police grounds and displayed the following items: vans, hoops, and yoke. We also took part in the parade and won the appreciation of the crowd. The JCS Club of Nizamabad conducted various inter-school competitions in which Salam Khan of 6th standard won first prize in fancy dress and Madhavi of 9th standard won second prize in classical dance. In inter-school SFL competition held by Rotary Club of Nizamabad, K. Srinivas of 10th standard won the first prize, Anjali Joshi of 9th standard stood in third place in electrician, and M. Sachin of 7th standard third place in drawing and painting. In the sports arena too, we won many accolades. In the Andhra Pradesh Federation of Private Educational Institution Inter-School Sports Meet held at Hyderabad, our senior boys school hockey were the winners. Each member of the team got a gold medal. Prasanna Rani, studying in 8th standard, the star athlete of our school, won 3 gold medals in 100-meter race, 400-meter race, sack race respectively, and a bronze medal in long jump. She was also adjudged the best female athlete of the meet.